TSMC has collapsed -6.69% to $415.17, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Sunday, June 7th, and this is your complete global market briefing. The selling pressure is broad-based, suggesting genuine risk aversion rather than isolated profit-taking. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 dropped sharply -2.64% to $7,383.74. Investor sentiment is being shaped by the RE trade is having a terrible day, Business Insider. NASDAQ 100 made a dramatic move today, plunged -4.77% to $28,958. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Broadcom earnings miss sinks NASDAQ, RE chips slide, go trade. Dow Jones is down -1.35%, trading at $50,867. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Broadcom earnings miss sinks NASDAQ, RE chips slide, go trade. DAX dipped -0.75% to $24,759. Traders are reacting to news that crude oil prices today, Brent, WTI surge above $95 as US-Iran conflict escalates, cryptorank. FTSE 100 is little changed, hovering near $10,368. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. TSMC made a dramatic move today, plunged -6.69% to $415.17. Investor sentiment is being shaped by TSMC crosses US $2 trillion mark, undeterred by geopolitical and RE risks, Digitimes. ASML made a dramatic move today, plunged -6.58% to $1,641.74. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SK Hynix places record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production, Tom's Hardware. Samsung plunged -6.40% to $329,000 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Nvidia plunged -6.20% to $205.10 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Nvidia's new PC chips represent CEO Huang's bid to win at every layer of RE stack. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that crude oil prices today, Brent, WTI surge above $95 as US-Iran conflict escalates, cryptorank. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Broadcom earnings miss sinks NASDAQ, RE chips slide, go trade. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dropped sharply to $93.09 per barrel, down 2.04% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that U.S. independents begin increasing oil production in response to new market conditions, APC. WTI crude dropped sharply to $90.54 per barrel, down 2.69% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that U.S. independents begin increasing oil production in response to new market conditions, APC. Natural gas plunged to $3.23, down 3.21% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that crude oil prices today, Brent, WTI surge above $95 as US-Iran conflict escalates, cryptorank. Gold plunged to $4,337.10 per troy ounce, down 3.1% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold slips as rising oil prices and inflation concerns temper safe haven demand, Yahoo Finance. Let us give you our near-term view on TSMC. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for TSMC is around $390.26. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.15, losing 0.71% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.33, losing 0.67% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.29, gaining 0.22% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to gold and silver slip as strong dollar outweighs safe haven demand MSN. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. A quick like takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. We genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe for daily coverage across every major market. Tell us in the comments what you are watching most closely right now. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.